heck is this thing? This is so strange. Bro, what? This is weird. Oh, whoa. It's an O'Keefe elevator? Hey, wait a minute. Wait. Whoa. O'Keefe. This is so weird, bro. What the heck is this thing? This is so weird. It's an O'Keefe modernized with Dover traditional with a tiny little panel. And there's no floor indicator, but there's some nice tray lighting. Dude, this thing is so weird. Door closed doesn't work. Very interesting combo of fixtures here. All right. And what the heck is this? Is this just a stairway? Yes, it is. Anyway,